Hello Anchor coin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, welcome back to another video. Because my friends in this video I'm talking about the Anchor coin millionaire, how you can make yourself millionaire with the Anchor coin. My friends, just to watch this 2-minute video, absolutely my friends, maybe this 2-minute video change your life my friends. Anyways, now this time my friends, you can see here, if you look the price of the Ankr coin is time, so 0.074182 USD dollar. That is the current price of the Ankr coin. Furthermore, you can see here my friends, in the July month, in the beginning of the July, the Ankr coin price very badly falls down my friends. The last 1 day change so in the Ankr coin is negative, but now the latest change last 1 hour, 1 day change, 1 week change so in the Ankr coin is positive my friends. Only my friends, the latest last yesterday last 24 hours pricing is negative. So my friends, my personal advice for all of you is that please buy the dip, because my friends, now this time the price of the Ankr coin is very low, because from the previous 2 months the price of the Ankr coin is falls down. So you absolutely, the price of the Ankr coin is very low. So that is why I'm telling you that please buy more and more Ankr coin my friends. If you are short in research, so that's a big opportunity for with all of you my friends to make a good amount of profit my friends. Buy more and more. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more news and update videos my friends.